How to get paid on TikTok Live. You need to understand how gifts and diamonds actually work. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then select Creator Tools or TikTok Studio, depending on your version. To go live, you usually need to meet eligibility requirements, such as having at least 1,000 followers and following TikTok's community guidelines. Once you start a live session, viewers can send you virtual gifts during your stream. These gifts are purchased with real money. Those gifts are then converted into diamonds inside your account, which represent your earnings. Later, you can withdraw your earnings through TikTok's supported payout methods, depending on your region and eligibility. To increase your income, focus on engaging with viewers, going live consistently, and building a loyal audience. And that's it. That's how you get paid on TikTok Live using gifts, diamonds, and live streaming monetization. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok monetization tips and how-to guides.